hey, if you look at the time, it's after 6. This is Noah from After 6 Cocktails, and today we're going to make a margarita. We're going to make a margarita today, but first, let's talk about tequila. This right here is tequila. I have many other tequilas like that, and also ones that taste much different. Tequila is made from the blue agave plant. Specifically, the agave plant must be cooked and then distilled. Tequila can only be made from the agave plant, and it can only be made in Jalisco, Mexico. If it's made anywhere else, it legally cannot be called tequila. Similar to how Scotch can only be made in Scotland. There's a main difference there are two main divisions in tequila making. You have 100% de agave tequila, which has only the blue agave plant in it. And then you have the mixed tequila, like this Jose Cuervo Especial. This has other agave distillates and other ingredients in it. Tequila can be aged. All tequila technically is aged. But we do have blanco tequila, which appears colorless and clear, like this Don Julio. I don't have reposado tequila, but that's aged longer. It's aged like half a year, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. About half a year. We have añejo, which is aged, like this Milagro, which is aged up to 2 years. And then they also have extra añejo, which I personally do not own. But I have this Don Julio 1942, which is an añejo. It's a premium luxury añejo. I personally love this when I'm drinking tequila neat. Margarita has 3 ingredients. You get your tequila. You have an orange liqueur. I like my Cointreau as usual. And I usually don't put a lot of ice cubes in this because it cannot hold a lot of ice cubes. I put enough just to fill it about here. I use the Mr. Boston bartending book for a lot of my recipes. It's sort of the industry standard, so to speak, but I love it. It tells you exactly what's in it. I'm going to put half an ounce of lime juice in there. Half an ounce is about half a lime. I'm going to put it in the juicer. I'm going to use the small part of the jigger. That's good. Then we're going to do an ounce of the Cointreau or any orange liqueur. Flip the jigger over, or your measuring tool, if it has 2 sides, over, so you can do the 1.5 ounces of the tequila. Oh jeez, I'm almost out of tequila, what the hell? For this, shaker, you got to take the top off. Put this strainer, it has an inbuilt strainer. Make sure it seals, then put the top on. Hold it, and then shake. Undo the top. Hold the shaker like this. 3 fingers around and 2 to hold the top on. Pour your drink. Into the glass. Good as usual. I really do enjoy margaritas personally. But the combination of Don Julio with Cointreau and fresh lime really hits the spot. It's perfect for warm weather, honestly, any time of day. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next week.